Right guys, so lately on a couple of my videos I've had a few dislikes, quite a few dislikes actually, and I'm not really sure why. I think what it is the car guys don't like me cheating, is it? You know, I cleaned my engine bay with a packet of wet wipes that were, I think, like 56p, 57p. And what else did I do? Oh yeah, I said that wheel cleaners are a gimmick. Right, well, let me explain that to you, because obviously people don't understand. This alloy wheel isn't actually alloy when you're cleaning it, because it's painted. So it's just like this. It's got lacquer and it's got paint. Okay, so alloy wheels are no different to your body of your car. Would you squirt alloy wheel cleaner all over your paintwork to get rid of marks? No, you don't, do you? You use compound, you use something that rubs away a tiny bit of the lacquer and removes the dirt, and then you polish it back up to protect it afterwards. Well, that's exactly what you're supposed to do with your wheels, all right? I'm telling you that. I used to work in a body shop. I've done stuff before. But anyway, it got me thinking, how many more products do you not really need for your car? And when I was in Europarts earlier, I saw these on the shelf. And yeah, I've been thinking about my dashboard, because it collects dust so badly, and it goes really dull after a while. Just look at the dust it's collecting, you know. And I looked at the dash cleaner stuff and I was like thinking, man, the price of that, you know, it's well expensive. And I thought, what is it really? So when I was in Lidl, I grabbed this multi-surface polish, spring fresh. Ooh. So I figured I would use this instead. It's 88 pence. And I'm really curious to see how it comes up, because if it comes up better than or as good as some kind of dash cleaner, or just like a dash cleaner, then why would you be paying £6-7 for a car specific dash cleaner when you can just use this stuff for 88 pence from Lidl? Right, so first of all, I'm going to dust it off. There we go, decent amount of dust on there. Now let's go in with my special W5 polish. Wow, what do you know? It works brilliantly. Right, so here's a good spot. How nice does that look? Try it on this door card here, look. See how faded it is? It's just flat and yeah, boring looking and dusty. Let's give it a wipe first with this. Especially there, look, they always get faded there, don't they? See that? Now let's try the polish. Seriously? Seriously? Let's do this little bit here. Come on, guys. I just found an even better bit, which is here. Let's give it a quick wipe first. Household cleaning products work great on cars too, because essentially Well, we got wood, glass, metal, plastic. Glass, metal, plastic is pretty much most cars, right? So why the hell wouldn't it work on a car? And it's 88 pence. 88 pence compared to 6 bloody whatever it was at Euro car parts. I'm just waiting for it to dry, then I'm going to whack some on. It's actually pretty good. Just the antibacterial wipe has polished it up. This is pretty mad, isn't it? Look at that. It's actually way better. Here we go. Here we go. Now it's drying. You can see that kind of wear and tear on the plastic surface there. And that's what I want to try this on, to see if it makes a difference. My dirt cheap car polish. Ready? Put it in. Bob's your uncle, hey? What the hell, guys? Seriously? Really? Really? Bastard. So you guys are seriously gonna dislike my videos for me showing you this, yeah? Do you want to live in La La Land or something and pretend that this isn't happening? Because it is. It is happening. I could literally print off a new label for this with like a fancy car or dashboard on it or something and be like, premium frickin' dash polish, remove scratches and stains and blah blah blah, wear and tear, make it look new again, yeah? And then charge you what, 6, 7 quid, 8 quid for this can? I'm trying to help you, trying to help people. I mean, like, aren't you just sick of it, huh? Aren't you just sick of people trying to take your frickin' money all the time? You're just gonna take it? Or you're gonna like use your common sense brain and think, oh yeah, the stuff that cleans houses also cleans cars. Really, you're gonna dislike it. I don't like what he's saying because I feel stupid. Look at that, you can see the difference there, look. Half and half. Let's just finish off this bit. Kablamo. It's even better. It's even better than like dash products and plastic products I've used before. This actually works better. To be honest, I'm tempted to get one that's just a little bit more expensive than this one to see how much better it fares, because this is literally bottom end budget, this stuff, you know. I'm really curious as to what something with a little bit more, like, you know, spend 2 quid instead of 88 pence. Here we are. I just got a bit curious about what happens if I spray this on my tyres. If it like acts like tyre shine. Let's just see what happens, shall we? Kind of looks like it, doesn't it? What's that coming up? Doesn't like. No way. No way. Dude, this is like, see that bit of tyre there? Watch this. That bit right there. Keep an eye on that. Bit of a shit shot, got it on my wheel there. Dude, this is like the shit. The finish on it is absolutely lovely, honestly. Like, and the wheel as well, the steering wheel. Yeah, it's got a really nice finish to it, this stuff. I'm flabbergasted, but I kind of expected it. There you go.